Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I'm going to build Count Orlok, or the original Dracula from Nosferatu. Now, this movie was released in the early 20th century, so I guess I think in sometime in 1920s maybe. This character has been around for that long, and it's inspired many Dracula that has come from it. This build is easy. It's only 3 parts, really. It would have been 4, but I can't find the ears for him. So let's just get into the build. So I'm just going to start with a new model. And we're going to go down to lower parts. And we're going to go to Pirates of the Caribbean. Or Caribbean, however, if you want to get technical. Or something like that. If you want to have a fight over that, really. So we can go here. And then we're going to the heads, minifigs heads. And it's superheroes, DC. We'll be using the head of Bizarro. It's really captured the likeness of Count Orlok. So, so that's kind of one way you could do it. Another way, if you want to do I have a different version of Dracula in mind. Something I had done a long time ago. I had planned a long time ago. It would be like a Halloween special kind of stuff for stop motion. I actually had planned it for a movie script, but I had kind of scrapped the story. So we'll be going to Monster Fighters, and we'll be using the normal head of Dracula. I'm just going to turn it around. Hairs. Now you could use this hair, kind of like the streaked hair. You could use the streaked hair. That kind of gives some kind of context to it. Or use this hair, 92081. Which was one of the hairs they used for many Dracula figures. But right now I'm just gonna do the one I had done. Oh, you could also use not that hair. This hair. You could use this for Nosferatu earlier. But I had planned kind of like a Dracula, kind of like a Monsters by Gaslight, basically. I would have this one. I'd do Wolfman, Frankenstein's monster, kind of like a whole battle thing. Kind of, one of those old, kind of like old horror movie stuff. I had also done a what I like to call Chupacabra by Gaslight, except it doesn't have that wolf face look to it. But so yeah, that's how I make Dracula or Nosferatu, Count Orlok, and my version of Dracula from an old scrapped Halloween video. But if you like this build, then like and subscribe, turn on those notifications. Next week I'll be doing Wolfman and the Frankenstein's monster. And see you guys later.